Marcos, your accredited competency assessor, and we're here at the Technological University of the Philippines, TESDA, and I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Claro, our representative of TESDA, and of course, Ms. Pauline, our TESDA Provincial Office representative. Thank you. So candidates, hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry sa mga presensya nila. Hindi yun makaka-apekto sa gagawin natin today. So proceed. So ito yung floor plan natin. Meron tayong institutional learning area, contextual learning laboratory, quality control area, trainers resources area, distance learning area, and of course, learning resource center. And lastly, practical learning area kung saan dito nyo gagawin yung mga demonstration na kailangan nating i-gawin. So proceed. By the way, so here's my ID, accredited assessor. So for the admission slip, can I have the admission slip? But before that, once I call your name, say presence. Ms. Casales, Ms. Monica, thank you. So can I have your admission slip? Thank you. Thank you. So can you please sign your attendance here? Thank you. So proceed. So here's my self-assessment guide. Dito sa may self-assessment guide, dito natin makikita yung mga dapat nyong gawin. Ito yung magiging guide nyo kung ano yung mga gagawin ninyo. So next. So electrical installation maintenance NC2 ay yung course natin ngayon. So for competency assessment agreement sheet, so ito yung CAAS nyo here. If may mga question pa kayo, you can ask me. Thank you. Let's proceed. So yung test package nyo, meron kayong observation checklist with questioning tool. Dito sa may sa may practical working area, check natin dyan yung rules, time element, observation of trainer with observation checklist. So when I call your name, please proceed to practical working area. Ms. Monica. Ms. Castales. Thank you. So let's proceed. We have here the observation technique with questioning tool, and yung competency assessment result summary ay yung feedback na ginawa ko nung practical working area kayo. So once I call your name, please proceed to my office, Miss Olga. So according to Miss Costales. So according to the result, hindi mo na kailangan mag-proceed sa may pre-assessment and pwede ka nang pumunta sa next step if want mo pang mag-proceed sa another course. So first your National Certificate in Electrical Installation Maintenance.